Hello, good day. I'm very happy to be here with you, sharing some insights about meditation and healing. Today I want to listen together with you to the connection between meditation and healing. In my understanding, healing is a state of consciousness that every person can meet in himself, in herself, and it's a natural state. Usually, because most of the time our energy is occupied with everyday life, so we don't have a lot of energy to concentrate in this healing state. And now, with all the collective crisis that we meet in these days, in these special days, maybe some of us have more energy and more time to dedicate to meet the inner self. Meditation is the basic tool, is the basic way to meet this inner space of healing. So every day in this 21 series, I'm sharing a specific technique. I will give you one today also. The techniques are different. There are many kinds of techniques, of course, not only the one that I share. Many teachers share techniques of meditation. The important thing about meditation is not the technique, but the totality that you practice with. And the more I am devoted to the practice, the more I am putting energy, time, and focusing not in the result, but really in being present in the practice, inner doors of healing will be opening for me naturally, without any effort. So today technique is a very simple one, but also a very powerful one. I suggest that you sit down in a quiet place and close your eyes. And I suggest that your back will be straight. And you close your eyes and you focus your attention in the gap between the inhale and the exhale. You inhale. There is a little gap between the inhale and the exhale, and then again there is a little gap between the exhale and the inhale. And if you will do that at least, let's say 10 minutes a day, you will find new things about yourself. I don't want to tell you everything. So thank you for being here with me today. Have a great day. Ciao.